Introducing the 2020 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.